Hello everyone, Luke here, welcome back to the channel. So if you remember video number 1360, we made one of these, and this is my roller for a million uses, but the use that we're going to use it for today is to make up some paper sticks. So again, if you remember a while ago, Rob actually made a whole machine to roll up these paper sticks, but that involves quite a lot of construction, and to be honest with you, I can't be asked to do that, so I've come up with an easier way to do it, and what it's actually called is a rolling strap. So let's take a look at what you're going to need. To actually get this rolling strap set up, you're not going to need a lot. You're obviously going to need your roller. Secondly, I'm going to be using this nice big PET sheet. Next, I'm going to be using 3cm squared pieces of rubber. I'm going to need 3 nails to secure the sheet down onto the table. You're going to need the actual paper you want to roll up, and in this case I'm going to be using packaging paper. And lastly, you're going to need a piece of 4mm dowel and an adhesive, and for me I'm going to be using this wallpaper paste, but this can be resin, this can be glue, anything that's an adhesive really. So let's get this set up. The first thing we have to do is secure this plastic sheet onto the table. So this is where these rubber pieces come in. We want to put a rubber piece on each corner and in the middle. And then what we can do is take our 3 leftover rubber pieces and lay it on top. And once they're laid on top, we want to grab our nails and just secure that into the table. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is secure this plastic sheet down onto the table. And that's the reason why we cut out 6 pieces of this rubber. It's so we can actually nail it down, and it improves the strength of this actual plastic, so it's not just going to tear off when we actually get some serious pressure over it. Right, now let's set up the paper. So I've taken my piece of paper and I've laid it flat against my plastic sheet. Then what I've done is I've grabbed a nice thin piece of double-sided sticky tape and run it along the very top edge. That means we can actually take our piece of dowel and secure that without worrying about it slipping. So let's do that. Now that piece of dowel is secured, we're actually pretty much ready to get this rocking and rolling. So the next thing to do is to mix up some wallpaper paste. I've mixed my wallpaper adhesive and now everything's completely set up so we can actually get on with this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just get this roll started, because it's a little bit difficult, but if you just do it by hand, you can just roll this up and then crease that line all the way down, and that's going to get it started absolutely perfectly. So now what we've got to do is give it a nice coat of adhesive. So let's do that. We've now given it a nice generous coat of this wallpaper adhesive. So now it's actually time to get this thing rolled up. So here's my big heavy duty roller. We now just feed this round, get it into a nice comfortable position, place our roller on there, roll it back and forth a few times, and just give it a roll. And there we go. Now that's dry, I've chopped off the ends, and if I take a look down the centre, there is no gaps in that at all, and it is really strong. So let's take a closer look. And there we go. If we take a look down that centre, you can see that there's absolutely no gaps at all. So that worked really well. And there we go, that's how you roll these paper sticks using that easy DIY rolling strap rig that we made up, using the roller that we made in the last video. And the result of these is absolutely awesome. So if you're interested in what I'm going to be using these with, there will be a video coming out fairly soon. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. But with that being said, that does bring me to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you later.